Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your AirPods 3 are paired and actively connected. Once connected, open Control Center and drag the volume slider while wearing both buds so audio adjusts correctly. Make sure your iPhone's physical volume buttons change media volume, not ringer volume, by playing audio first. If you prefer hands-free control, enable Siri in settings, then ask, "Hey Siri, set volume to 50%. This immediate step gets you audible results and verifies the link between device and AirPods. Once basic volume works, refine control, open Control Center for precise sliding or use the volume slider in the app playing audio. Make sure the app respects system volume. If you have an Apple Watch, use its digital crown to adjust AirPods volume while connected. For tonal changes, enable headphone accommodations in settings, right arrow accessibility, right arrow audio/visual to boost soft sounds or tailor frequencies. This changes perceived loudness without maxing system volume. Also, use Siri to nudge volume in small increments when you need subtle changes. To finalize, confirm your preferred volume works across apps and save it as your baseline. If volume seems low, clean the speaker mesh and check fit. Poor seal lowers bass and perceived loudness. If problems persist, reset AirPods. Put them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white, then repair. If that fails, update iOS and AirPods firmware, and finally test with another device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.